I'm ready, darling.
Okay, let's go ahead and get it started here. Okay, good morning, pure structure traders and YouTube for another morning market analysis. Today we'll be going over S&P 500 gold and also oil for you guys. Again, I'll be going over some of the major levels here on S&P. Wendy will be going over some of the minor levels, and then we'll go over gold and oil for you guys as well. So again, if you guys do like these videos, please go ahead and smash that like button. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Any questions you guys got, feel free to pop them in here on YouTube. We'd love to get back to you guys. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it. So for S&P, I do got a little bit of resistance coming right here between 45.96 to about 97. You can see we popped up a little bit higher into 4600, came right back down. So we'll see what happens here. If this pulls it down, we are still running a bullish move, so keep that in mind. Support underneath 45.83.25 for me, and then below that 45.71.25 and 45.67. Main level down below is going to be between those 45.50s to about 45.50. So that's going to also be support for me down below. But with that, I'm going to hand it over to Wendy. She'll give you some of the minor levels she has.
Okay, my dear. Let me share this chart here. Okay, you see all this madness here? So what I like to do is make my two supports and then mark my peaks after that. And we've got them down here below, right here, the green level, and right here. And then we start the peak area. And we have one of them right here. And you can see how it used it as support. Hold on, I'm managing a trade. So right here is one. Resistance area, support, support. Excellent long opportunity here. Here's our next level. Here's our next peak here. Kind of a chop zone here. You don't even have to trade this if you don't want to. You could get in here, but you have to realize where your third peak is. But here's where I went long because it went way above with purpose, what I like to call, and then come back down and use it as support. That's a beautiful buy the dip zone right here. Here's our third peak. This is the second trade I had, went above it with purpose, came back down, used it as support. Here's our third peak right here. And this is why it is struggling. It's struggling to move it on top of it. I have a feeling it might. Both areas are in a battle zone right now, but the bears so far have not succeeded to bring it down. And the bulls are doing a good job keeping above this micro area. So we'll see in time how it all plays out. So those are my micro levels for today, buddy. Passing it back to you for oil and for gold.
Awesome. All right, let's pull this up here. So moving over into gold for you guys. Resistance for me, 1773.1 to about 74.9. Above that is going to be those 79.7s on gold. So we'll see. I think we do end up trying to pull up maybe to 73 to 74. If not, you can see supports down below, right around the 68.8. 66.6, and then below that 62.4. Now we are in a downtrend, so keep that in mind. Kind of right in the middle, a little bit of an uglier area, but for me, it probably looks a little bit better to look for the shorts than the longs, but you do have your opportunities to go long if you want to. Main level of support, going to be more of a conservative area, right around 1662.4 for the long idea. Moving over into crude oil, we should see some resistance coming right around the 69. Yeah, about 68.90 to about 69. That's going to be the area. We are still strongly bullish, so I am anticipating maybe another retest of this area if we get a pullback. Pullback area for me, 67.84. That's going to be a nice opportunity for long if we do get there. If not, we'll keep going bullish again. If it stays above this level of 68.83, this could continue that bullish trend to the upside. So just keep that in mind. But we get back below those 83s, then you can definitely see this try to pull back a little bit. But that wraps it up for S&P 500, gold, and also oil. Again, thank you guys for tuning in. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. If you guys like these videos, make sure you guys like the video here on YouTube. And again, thank you guys. For those who are going to be in the room, make sure, or who are not going to be in the room, make sure you guys trade with discipline and patience. For those who are in the room with us, let's go ahead and prepare for the open.